Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your channel for clear and practical word meanings. Today, we're exploring the word label. So, what does label mean? The word label comes from the Latin word labilis, which means liable to slip or fall. In modern English, label usually describes something that is easily changed, unstable, or not fixed. For example, in psychology, someone with a labile mood may shift emotions very quickly, happy one minute, and sad the next. In chemistry, a labile compound is one that easily reacts or breaks down. And in everyday life, we might say someone's opinion is labile if it changes from moment to moment. Now let's look at synonyms. Some words similar to labile include unstable, changeable, unpredictable, volatile, fickle, inconstant, flexible in certain positive contexts. On the other side, the antonyms of labile, the opposites, would be stable, steady, unchanging, predictable, constant. So, when should you use labile? This word often appears in science, psychology, and medicine, but it can also be used in formal writing to describe anything that is unstable or prone to change. To sum up, labile means easily changed. It describes things that shift quickly or don't stay steady. If you want to enrich your vocabulary with powerful and practical words, make sure to stick with Thesaurus Thrive.